Alright guys, in this episode it's time to get the tires mounted. Alright, so I got everything loaded up in the back of the hatch. And I'm bringing all the TPMS sensors down. And we're going to Cruising Gold. Alright guys, so we're outside Cruising Gold. Gonna go inside, see what they say. Hopefully they can do this because I didn't make an appointment. Didn't know what time I was going to be down here. And hopefully I can film it going on. So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. Alright guys, the wheels are assembled and in the back, leaving Cruising Gold. Let's go home and put them on. It got a little overcast, so it's not going to look too great, but we're going to go ahead and put the wheels on and see how they look. Alright, so unfortunately I won't be able to use my 20mm wheel spacers. It's just the this part right here where the stock lug comes out. It doesn't fit in the wheel. So we're going to take these off and just run it spacerless. Maybe I can find a 25 or so, maybe a 30, and then it'll fit. We'll see. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this out for a test drive, see how they feel. I was going to do the TPMS sensors, but I think I need to get the programmer. I know one way of doing it without, but it wasn't working. So I'll have to do that, and yeah, let's see how it works. So I'm currently driving around with the new escape wheels on. They feel amazing. There's no rubbing. I thought there might have been something, but it's stock height for now, so there's really nice. I've been doing some cornering and going around and kind of a bumpy road, and they've been all right. And I was kind of worried about the kind of the rubber band effect on them, but so far they're all right. I haven't got them really up to speeds yet, but yeah, I love the way they look. Absolutely love the way they look. Let me know, guys, what you think. If you love them, I know I do. Yeah, give us a like. Hopefully don't give us a dislike. Alright guys, and with that, I want to give another huge shout out to Hot Colors Powder Coating down in Cocoa. Be sure to check them out. They did such an amazing job with these wheels. And yeah, check us out on the social media. Facebook is where we post a lot more. Yeah, so we'll see you guys next time.